You searched how to buy shares of Praemium Ltd. Praemium Ltd is an Australian wealth management and investment technology provider listed on CBOE Australia under the ticker PPS.ASX. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and it does not promise returns. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker PPS.ASX to find Praemium Ltd. Select the matching CBOE AUS listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm company details and the PPS.ASX ticker to ensure this is the right Praemium Ltd listing. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at next open, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the purchase. Once executed, your premium position will appear in your portfolio on the platform. Check the video description for a helpful link to eToro.